Today, we're diving into a trending male health supplement called ErecBoost. Is it legit or just another overhyped scam? Stick around to find out. So, let's start with what ErecBoost claims to offer. According to their marketing, it's a supplement designed to enhance male strength, stamina, and vitality. They advertise it as a natural solution made from potent ingredients that are supposedly backed by science. Sounds pretty impressive, right? They also highlight that ErecBoost is manufactured in a US-based facility that's FDA approved and GMP certified. Now, that might sound like a big deal, but here's an important clarification. FDA approval here only means the manufacturing process follows strict guidelines. It doesn't guarantee that the product itself works as advertised. Now, let's talk about the red flags. First, if you've tried looking for reviews on trusted platforms like Amazon or other well-known websites, you might have noticed something strange. There aren't any. That's a big warning sign because it means there's no reliable way to verify if real users are getting results. Even on their own website, the reviews lacks. Without trustworthy feedback from actual users, it's hard to tell whether ErecBoost is effective or just another clever marketing ploy. Next up, let's address the claims they make. ErecBoost is marketed as a groundbreaking scientific discovery. But when you dig deeper, there's no evidence or certification to back this up. No clinical trials, no published studies, nothing. Words like scientific might sound reassuring, but they're meaningless without proof. This lack of transparency is a huge concern. Here's something else to think about. Even natural supplements can sometimes come with side effects. Without solid reviews or proper research to back the product, trying ErecBoost could be a gamble for your health. Is it really worth the risk? On a positive note, ErecBoost does offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee with a 60-day money-back policy. That's nice to see, but remember, just because they promise a refund doesn't mean the process will be hassle-free. Companies with shaky credibility often make refunds harder than they need to be. So, what's the final verdict on ErecBoost? Based on everything we've looked at, it raises far more questions than answers. The lack of reviews, absence of evidence to support their claims, and potential risks all make it hard to recommend. If you're considering this product, my advice is simple. Do your research, consult a healthcare professional, and prioritize your safety above all else.